Most of us understand that the skin's natural processes, particularly the shedding of the dead skin cells, slows down as we age. And so if your skin is aging and you're seeing the lines a little bit more, they look more obvious to you, your skin tone is uneven, and you've lost your shine, you need to introduce Daily Superfoliant into your regime. So Daily Superfoliant is a highly active powder exfoliation. It allows the smoothest skin ever to be revealed, and it does so not only very thoroughly, but really gently. There are a combination of enzymes and fruit extracts and various other ingredients which help to cleanse the pores, to keep the natural balance on the skin, so not stripping it, keeping it intact, but also leave the skin smooth and bright. Now, you only need about half a teaspoon, and you actually apply it into wet hands, which is really, really easy to do. You massage it over the skin for about a minute. What I would suggest is if you have a more sensitive or delicate skin, don't use it every day. Use it every alternate day. And as your skin improves, then you can use it a little bit more. But you'll massage it around the skin, and it's very, very gentle. It actually has a lovely, lovely glide. Very little fragrance again, which we love as well. And then of course you would just rinse it off. Now you're going to have that very smooth skin that is going to be revealed. Your product's going to penetrate even better as well. But this really is a game changer when it comes to great skincare.